It's day 2 of the 3-day lead challenge. Checking in with you guys. Starting on day 2, looks like I got 8 deals in progress. Potential for $376 per month. So pretty good so far. Like I said, we're going to follow up with these leads after the challenge. I want to see what we can do completely using automation, how many leads we can get in, and then at the end, we'll go through the results, see if it was worth setting up some automation in our business, right? So I'm going to share my screen here in a minute, but first what I want you to do is go ahead and text demo, the word demo, to 319-250-6868. What that's going to do is show you how the autoresponder works. So as soon as you text demo to 319-250-6868, you're going to get a text message back from me, from my trusty robot helper. And also, I might send you a phone call. And there might be a special deal on that phone call. So while I'm doing this live video, I can actually close some leads, get you guys some cool software discounts, and show you how this whole process works at the same time. So that's the power of these tools. Now, if you entered the contest yesterday, we had around 10 people enter, I think. You potentially are going to get one of these snapbacks, right? So whoever gets closest to the number of friends I have on Facebook at the end of this challenge, I'm going to ship them their very own legendary lead snapback. And I'm actually in a new group today by Max Maxwell. If you're not familiar with him, he's killing it in the wholesale space. So check out his YouTube if you want to learn how to wholesale real estate, or jump into his group, Wholesaling Houses Elite. I'm looking to add some people who might be interested in working with me in the future. So that's what I'm doing automatically while I'm doing this challenge. So another thing I want to show you guys today, I'm going to take this little thing off. Make sure you text demo to 319-250-6868. And I'm going to double check that you guys can see my screen here before we continue. So what you're looking at, this is my phone. And there's a couple things I want to point out to you. So if you're doing lead generation, trying to get motivated sellers, or just buyer and seller leads, if you're a realtor, whatever it might be, what you want to do is set up something like this. So this is really optimized for conversions. At the top, there's a click to call button, right? So someone can click that button, and that's going to instantly bring up a phone. And what I would recommend is setting up an inbound IVR to actually screen those leads for you as well. So if someone calls this number, here's what happens.
Hey, you reached Derek from Tri Johnson Marketing Solutions. This call may be recorded for training and quality assurance. If you'd like to speak with me directly, you can press 1 now, and the call will be forwarded to my cell if I'm available. If you want to schedule some time on my calendar, just press 2. And I'll send you a link to choose a time that is convenient for you. If you'd like access to the free marketing automation toolkit, press 3, and I'll send you a link where you can get access. The toolkit comes with free software tools and training to help you step up your marketing game. If you'd like to leave a voicemail, you can press 4 now. I pride myself on that. All right, I'm sending you a link to the free marketing automation toolkit now. Feel free to check it out. If you have any questions, just shoot me a text.
So if you guys need that free marketing automation toolkit, you can actually just follow this link here to tryjohnson.com and get that all hooked up. All you got to do is put your name and email in here. You're going to get some powerful software tools and training showing you how to do some amazing things. And then, so if someone opts into this actual form here, we'll just walk through this. I asked them a few questions, and then they can submit their info. And when that happens, they're going to get an IVR call as well. But this one is going to be different. So they got a text message saying, we've received their request for info, an agent will be calling shortly, and then they get a phone call. So all less than 10 seconds after submission.
Hey, this is Derek. I'm super excited to work with you. If you're available now to chat, go ahead and press 1 and the call will be transferred. Otherwise, if you want to schedule a follow-up, just press 2 and I'll send you a link to my calendar.
So let's press 1.
Awesome. I'm forwarding that call now. If I happen to be assisting amazing clients like you, just leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Right, so now I'm getting that call forwarded to myself, and I can actually pick up and talk to this client. Yo.
Outbound IVR transfer from book your call page. Derek Johnson.
So that was a sales bridge message from Chirply, and now I'm actually connected to the lead who just opted in. You can do this from a web page, from a Facebook lead form, or anywhere you're collecting lead data. So it's a super powerful way to actually get on the phone with hot leads. And if you're trying to find motivated sellers, you need to get on the phone as soon as you can with someone who's really interested. So that's a way to increase your conversions and actually get more deals than your competition, is to set up some simple automation like this, and it will be done for you. So you could send this to a VA's phone, a sales agent, however you want to do it. But at the end of the day, that's how you stay on top of your leads. And this is what I want you guys to do right now. So this is a flyer, right? It says text demo to 319-250-6868. As I hovered my camera, it scanned this QR code that already pre-populated it for me, right? So all I have to do is press send, and that demo message went out to that phone number. So I show you guys how to set this up in the SMS Marketing Automation Course, and that's a free course. So if you're interested in that, you can actually text free course to 319-250-6868, and I'll send you the link to sign up for that as well. So if you want to learn how to set up a text message autoresponder, professional IVR system, and actually start generating new leads on autopilot, that's what that course is all about. I show you how to do it for free. So there's no really thing holding you back, except for maybe if you don't want to automate your business, that might be holding you back. Did you guys see that Roblox IPO? So I tried to get it at $45. That's what they said they were coming out at. And it jumped up to like 65 bucks. But let me tell you about Roblox. All your kids are probably playing Roblox right now. And you're probably paying money for digital items over and over again, even though that game is free. So it takes up tons of time and tons of attention. So I think it'd be a good company to own. I didn't buy any because it shot up like crazy, and I'm waiting for it to come back down, hopefully. But also, Bitcoin's $57,000, which is insane. You could buy a house for that, maybe a couple houses if they're really beat up. But interesting times we live in. So this is day 2, guys. Let me know if you guys want to jump into this challenge the next time we run it. I'll actually hook you up with all this software, show you how to do it, and we can all go through the challenge at the same time.